I'm with the St. Mary Parish Library System, and today we are going to make a luau party parrot. So today you will receive a bag. Your bag has parrot craft written on it. Inside the bag you have tissue paper and you have two googly eyes. You have an instruction page, everything that you need to make this. Now the supplies you need at home, you're going to need glue. If you want to use a glue stick or hot glue, whichever you have, that's what you use. You can use tape if you would like, and also you're going to need some scissors. It comes with an instruction page. And all the instructions that you need to make this page. It also comes with pattern pages. There's 2 pattern pages included. And it gives you the instructions on how many pieces that you need to cut out of each piece. Okay, so we're going to get started now. Okay, I've cut out all my pieces. Like I told you, this comes with a pattern page. So I cut out my patterns. I decided on which colors I wanted. This is the body. I cut out 1 piece of each for the body. Each one of the wing patterns, you need 2. So I cut out all my wings. I decided on the colors. Cut out all my wings. You have the little beak and the little face area. So I cut out my little beak and the little black part of the beak also. You can use construction paper, a cardstock, or you can use just regular paper and just color whatever color you want your stuff. Also in your back, like I told you, you have tissue because you have to cut it out and do like an accordion fold. Let me show you how that goes. And this accordion folded tissue is for the feathers. You take your piece of tissue paper, open it all the way up, and you just fold. Just make sure it's try to get it as evenly folded as you can. Doesn't matter how small or how big you do your folds. It just depends on how you want your feathers to look. And when you finish, you have something that looks like this. What you're going to do with this is fold it over. You just fold it over. Okay? You take your scissors and you cut like a little half circle. Now we're going to start to assemble our parrot. We're going to concentrate on gluing the face together. So, I just took my little beak area and I lined it up like so. Kind of lined it up. I lined it up in this crease like here, and I just glue, and it looks like that. Flip it over and I do the same thing. And you can just lay the pattern together for accurate placement on the parrot face. Put a little glue there and come back and put some more like that. Okay? Next thing, I took the little black part, the little beaky part, and I made sure that I cover my color. So you just line it up pretty much with the beak. You line it up with the piece on the front, like so, and you glue it. As long as you make sure that the paper, the color of the parrot's body is covered, that should be good. A little more glue on here, like so. Like that. Flip them over and do the same thing. Then I'm gonna take and I'm gonna glue his eye on. I'm gonna use a little hot glue for the eye. That's one eye. You need the smallest dot of glue for your eye. And that's it. Let me show you how we put this together. Take them and you line them up. And I decided to use some tape to line them up how I want to. Now remember, you can use glue, you can use stick glue, you can use hot glue, you can use whichever, whatever you have, so that your stuff will be together. I just used a little tape. That worked a little better for me. You place them however you want them, however you want your feathers to be on your parrot. This is your parrot. And there we go. Okay? So now we have both sides of the feathers. Now we're going to put the middle part, the little pom-pom, together. We already have our little tissue folded, accordion style. And I rounded the edges with my scissors. I just cut it. Okay? Took the middle and I kind of fold it like so that I'm able to pinch the middle of it. Take a piece of tape to secure the middle. Okay? And all I'm going to do, take my tissue, just kind of fan it out. Fan it out. Now, if you have more tissue at home, if you want to use some other thing, some other paper to make your little middle, you can do that. Fan it out like that. Like so. So you kind of end up with something like this. Now, like I said, if you have more tissue at home, you can use more tissue. Okay? But only use one sheet. So the more sheets you use, the fuller the effect you're going to get. Okay? Then I just take it figure out how you're gonna put it on your parrot. So I just took it and kind of twisted it. And I used the tape, like I said. Tape works a little better for me. See? Twisted it here. You might find a better way to put it on. But this is kind of how I'm able to hold it in place and place it on the body. Like that. Then I go underneath here because it's sticking up. And I just put another little piece of tape. Or if you're using glue, just put some more glue. Then after all of that, messing with it, the tissue might get like a little, you know, bunched up, or it may get a little flattened out. So you can just go through and just do that with it. Kind of fluff it. Just fluff it as you go. Fluff it. You probably do better fluffing it after it's over. Okay? Take the tail. And what I did was I just taped the tail. I kind of put it at a little tilt. I just taped it to the other side. Like so. I just taped it like so. Then I just go with the little feathers. I kind of put the feather onto the body. A piece of tape. And like I said, the tape really does work better for me because I can hold it in place. And then if I want to, after I'm finished placing everything, I can just go back and glue everything down. Okay? Then I just go to the other side and I place the other feather. I try to place it about the same. If it's at the same, I don't know. But I just tape it down. And like I said, if you want to, after it's finished, you can go back and just fluff your little pom-pom out as much as you want. Just fluff until you get to the desired, fluffiness you want. Okay, this is Perry, our luau parrot that we just created. I hope you all enjoyed making this parrot with us. We enjoyed making it with you. And we hope you have a lot of fun making your own. Thank you. Have a nice day.